Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling. If it isn't your first visit, check out some of the other videos on the channel. But the reason you are joining us for today is we are supplying and fitting one of our Milltek active exhaust sound systems or sound booster systems to our awesome Ford Ranger Stormtrak. So this is our Black Stag edition one with loads and loads of accessories already on the truck, from sides to deployable side steps, predator lights front and back, bars, all sorts, lift kit, ultra wide arches, wheels, all sorts of different things. So do check out all the bits. We'll show you a few things as we go, but I've got it in with us for today to fit the Milltek active sound booster system. So stay tuned for this. It's going to be a good one. We're going to go through the whole process of fitting it all. Of course, give you a demo as we go, demo at the end. They're fully tunable. You can set them however you want on the app, the Milltek app that's on your phone. So really cool. Give us a shout for anything like this to do with Milltek, as we are a authorised supplier and fitting centre. So give us a shout for anything to do with Milltek. Right, we're going to get it into the workshop in a moment, so please do like and subscribe to the old channel so you can stay fully up to date with everything we are doing. We'll get this into the workshop, get cracking, because Ad is very keen to get going with this one. We've done another one that is on the channel, so we'll put the link above so you can have a look at that one as well. Here we go, let's get in the workshop. Happy days. Good morning, pal.
Good morning, pal. How you doing?
All good, but all good. What we got?
Good. So we are now getting ready to fit the Milltek active sound generator to our Ford Ranger.
Yeah, boy.
We've got it all laid out here. We've even got a little banner out for you today.
Yeah, man. The Milltek banner. That will be going up on our on the side here, over there. Yeah, we'll be going up on the side.
Yeah. Right. So over here we have the actual active sound generator itself. Sounds better in real life.
Yeah, thank goodness.
So yeah, nice hard product, nice stainless steel. Comes with that lovely strong bracket for fixing it to the underside of the vehicle. Stamped up Milltek as well.
Yeah, man.
Flash, isn't it? Pretty flash.
All made out of high grade stainless.
Yeah, that's it. Then we've got this, which is sort of the module, the brains of the old generator system, which does look a lot, but that does all the work apparently.
Superb.
And then this lovely little wiring loom.
Fantastic.
So yeah, we shall crack on in a few minutes. Oh, little bits.
Wiring wise, mate, what do we need to do?
It's not too bad. So you just have to obviously wire it in for the power, and then you wire it into the high and the low cams.
Okay.
Which yeah, not too bad to do, but you definitely wanted to have done a few before.
Yeah, you need to know what you're doing. You've got to check voltage and stuff, haven't you, as well?
Yeah.
So yeah, bring it to us. Simple as that. Bring it here.
I'll do it. Rob will do it. Rob will do it, won't you, Rob?
We're a proper Milltek dealer. Rob. Right,
Bob.
Let's get going with it, shall we, pal?
Let's get on it.
Woo! Right, here we go over with Alan. See how he's getting on.
Hello, mate.
Oh, hello, pal.
We're right up under this down. Where are you?
Over here.
You up in the,
Over here.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
All good, pal. All good.
Good.
It looks like you're having fun.
Yeah, I'm just crimping the last wire to the hide can as we speak at the minute.
Superb.
Which is there.
Superb, mate, superb. Try a hand out.
I might do in a minute. I might just stay here for a little while. It's quite awkward. The wires are quite up. Well, they're about here on the dash up there.
Right, okay.
But yeah, we're there now. We've just got to get some the power and the earth wired in. Shouldn't be a biggie. And then we'll be up for a little test run in a few minutes, I think.
Superb, mate. Well, we'll definitely join you for that.
Cool. All right, mate. I'll give you a little shout if I can get out. Out.
Your hand.
Just pull me lead. Pull me lead, will you?
Yeah. He's there, he's there. Well done, pal.
Lovely job. But no, we're getting there. Then obviously we've got our lead it all the way to the back because the actual sound generator sits on the back corner there.
Yeah, it will be right on the back here.
Feed it along the chassis.
Behind the rear quarter panel, just behind there. Lovely, lovely. I see we've got our deployable side steps out, pal.
We have indeed. I would show you them in working order, but we don't know battery and no power at the minute. So
we'll have a look later on.
That's it down, and if you go to the other side, you'll see it up.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah. We'll have a little look later on, mate.
Down.
We'll have a look later on, pal.
All right, mate.
Right, I'll let you crack on. Give us a shout in a minute.
All right, mate. All the best. Right.
Are we ready, are we, pal?
We're all ready for a little demo, mate. We are all wired in. Still, obviously, yet to feed the wire and hook it on the old back there, but we'll give you a little demo, shall we? Here we go. Yeah, baby.
Sounding good, man. Sounding good.
Yeah.
What do you think, Rob? Do you like it, Rob?
We've got loads of settings, but we'll run through that when we do our proper finished little.
Yeah, man. Sounds good.
Yeah, but yeah, all good.
There we go. Sounding good.
Cool.
Right, so that's the little test run before the guys get it bolted under the vehicle. Like, if you could just about make out what Adam, somebody was saying, we just got to run all the wires under the vehicle. It'll be going in or underneath inside the rear quarter panel, if you like. So we'll leave the guys to get cracking. We're getting it in the vehicle. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Right, come in, Robert.
Right, just going to go over and see how the guys are getting on. I think we are pretty much ready now to get the sound booster on the back of the car, and Ad's just finishing the wiring, so we'll have a little look, see how they're doing. Hello there, lads.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
So Ad's just got the wiring. He's going to be running underneath the vehicle in all the correct places.
Baby.
Woohoo! And Roberto's down the back here. You just got the metal bracket on, didn't you, Rob?
Now about to. Just take the bolts out ready for it.
You got it on the sound booster, didn't you?
Yeah.
Just have a quick look. Sorry, mate, just move your...
Alright.
Oh, let's just get the old camera back in focus. There we go. So Rob has got the bracket all fitted on, ready to go underneath the vehicle. Like I say, going on the inner wheel arch here. Well done, Robert. Well done. There we go.
He would have done it earlier if he had to hoover his car out.
Well, it was a little bit dirty, apparently. Right. Right, there we go guys, we have finished another one of the jobs here at Black Stag Styling. Of course, it's been fantastic being able to work on our own truck. This is our demo Ford Ranger Stormtrak, so please do give us a shout or pop in and see us if you want to see any of the stuff, any of the kit that we have fitted to our truck. That's our lift kit, ultra wide arches, light bar on the front, we've got a different grille, headlights, rear lights, lift kit, like I say, deployable side steps, so do give us a shout. But of course we've now got our Milltek active sound generator kit along with the app, so this is all now fitted, sounds awesome. If you're interested in this, please do give us a shout, as we're now an official Milltek dealer and fitting centre. We have mentioned this a few times, so do give us a shout. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching the video and are interested in one of these, as they're pretty cool, fully adjustable with the app, loads of different settings, well 11 in all, plus downloadable bits, so yeah, give us a shout. Right, thank you for checking out the video. Do please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the old notifications, and we'll keep you fully up to date that way. We'll see you again soon. Last look round at the truck, and we'll see you soon. Take care.